back again with another easy and yummy recipe. Okay, so for mango cheesecake, I'm going to use mango pulp. I have actually chopped a mango, make a pulp out of it, and I actually strained all the like there are some thread-like structures in the mango, so I have removed it, I have strained it, and this is the mango pulp. Half can of condensed milk, 100 grams of cream cheese. I'll be using 1 cup of Almarai thick whipping cream or any whipping cream available with you. I'll be using 1 teaspoon of gelatin. So let's begin with the procedure. Transfer all the cream cheese into the beating pan. As the condensed milk and mango pulp is already sweet, so I'm not going to add any sugar. You can check the taste, and if you want you can add sugar. Now I will transfer the condensed milk. I will simply mix the cream cheese into the condensed milk. Once the cream cheese is smoothened, I'm going to add the whipping cream, 1 cup. When you see that the stiff peaks are forming, I will add the mango pulp. Taste at this point of time. If you find it lesser sweet as per your taste, you can add icing sugar. Don't use granulated sugar at this stage, otherwise the cream will turn into butter. So I'm just going to check whether the sweetness is enough. If not, I will add some more sweetness. I'm taking 2 teaspoons of hot water, and I will add 1 teaspoon of gelatin into the hot water. Mix it well and let it bloom as per the direction on the packaging. I will take some cream cheese batter and I will add the gelatin into the cream cheese batter. Now I will mix the gelatin into the cream cheese batter. Now I will add it into the main batter. So for mango cheesecake, I have taken digestive biscuit around 10. I actually put them in a grinder and grind them, and now I'm going to add half cup of butter in them. Just mix it well. I'm not using any bowl or mixer, otherwise it will be a big mess. So I'm just doing it like this. Do it with your hand. Just make sure the butter has been rubbed into all pieces or all grains of the digestive biscuits. Now apply this batter on the base of the pan. Take a glass and level it like this. Now I will add the cheesecake batter that I just made. Distribute it equally by tapping to remove all the bubbles. I will take some mango pulp and drop it like this in order to make the decoration on the top. Chill the mango cheesecake for at least 4 hours before serving. Do try it and let me know your feedback in the comments. I'll be sharing with you the pictures. Thank you.